We are still in a market environment where the NASDAQ and S&P look for any reason to rally. So bond yields stopped going up today, and the market rallied. Advanced decline line was weak all day. Not always correlated to the NASDAQ, but a little more correlated to the S&P. It's been a lot of the day down here at the minus 600 level, yet the S&P and NASDAQ rallied anyway. The ticks were weak. Most of the day they were more down ticks late in the day, and then at the very end, VIX though 1891. So VIX could be the biggest indicator of all, and you see VIX breaking that 19 handle down to 1891. That's very bullish for the market to be that low and to stay that low. So that is the one indicator that we have to consider the most right now. It seems to be the most reliable for the direction. Let's look at the market signals on the day. Good trading day, 60-minute breakout ES. Plus 975, adaptive moving average plus 275. Night trader hit its profit target, plus 675 on the day. And those were the only three trades in the base ES1, ES2. Night trader VSD hit its profit target as well, 675. Tick fader stopped out trying to short this market. Just a strong trend higher. VSD ES plus 1962.50. Kind of a runaway trend. Tick wave, even the S&P minus 825. All strategy access NQ. Gap continuation 2020 plus 1345 on the day. Nice for our 50K portfolio. It's one of the main strategies in the 50K portfolio. This one uses a $300 stop loss, and so this is the one NASDAQ strategy that's doing well even with a $300 stop loss. If you look at the performance summary, this is a strategy. Because it uses a $300 stop loss, you have lots of small losers and then your occasional big winner, and it's at equity peaks. This isn't a beautiful equity curve, but it is a real-world equity curve. 1 year on the NASDAQ trading this to get 18,620 out of a contract on one NASDAQ contract with a 42.45 drawdown and $131 average trade profit. Just love this strategy. The way it works, I love these statistics. But you probably hate this, 23.94. It's hard to handle. You see a lot of losing days, and it seems like you're not trading a good system. But keep in mind, we're trying to catch a trend, and we're just not risking much on each trade. And when it does work, it continues to work well. New equity peaks are further validating. So that is gap continuation 2020 NQ. And that was the only trade in NQ1, NQS. All strategy access NQ2, 60-minute breakout, minus 525. That stop loss a little too tight. On that one, plus 1670 on 60-minute breakout NQB. Tick wave NQ, minus 825. VSD NQ, plus 4890. Big runaway market right at the open. Sometimes you see that, and this VSD captures that. Gave back some of the profits on the day, but hard to pick the highs, hard to pick the tops and bottoms. Long short version, plus 43.50, got short and then went long. Gap continuation 2019, also plus 13.45. The difference between this one and the 2020 is that this one has a bigger stop loss, and it doesn't have a range filter. And so EVP1 NQ plus 720, capturing that short at the end of the day. Good diversity there. Viper plus 150, the 2021 version, no trades. Crude oil. We had this one trade plus 175. This one's not any of the portfolios. It's in my book. It talks about gap. It's a gap fill and reverse strategy. So natural gas, no trades on the day. RBOB, no trades on the day. Euro plus 281.25. Gold. We have the Asia Gold 4 and Asia Gold 4 2020. The long trades here, holding this position minus 500 on the day. Pulled back. Still looks bullish to me, so this market looks like it could go higher. So I still like this trade, but that's the systematic trading signal for that strategy. Silver, no trades on the day. And soybeans, we had grains day trader 3 go short, get out at a break-even stop. Pretty choppy day in soybeans, pretty choppy time period in soybeans right now. Exhaust in reverse, plus 837.50, capturing this trade. It's in on this trade. So those are the trades on the day for the All Strategy Access Trading System signals. I updated the portfolio calculator format, and I'm going to be including the updates from today as soon as I can. so we can see if there's any, see what the latest results for all the portfolios. There's a lot of combinations of portfolios, and the best way to view it is in the portfolio calculator.